Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Detain. Detain. Detain means keep from proceeding. For example, she made to open the door, but he detained her. She made to open the door, but he detained her. Synonyms: delay, hold up, make late. Deteriorate. Deteriorate. Deteriorate means become progressively worse. For example, relations between the countries had deteriorated sharply. Relations between the countries had deteriorated sharply. Synonyms: worsen, get worse, decline. Devastate. Devastate. Devastate means destroy or ruin. For example, the city was devastated by a huge earthquake. The city was devastated by a huge earthquake. Synonyms: destroy, ruin, leave in ruins. Diagnose. Diagnose. Diagnose means identify nature of illness or other problem by examination of symptoms. For example, doctors diagnosed a rare and fatal liver disease. Doctors diagnosed a rare and fatal liver disease. Synonyms: identify, determine, distinguish. Dictate. Dictate. Dictate means state authoritatively. For example, the Tsar's attempts to dictate policy. The Tsar's attempts to dictate policy. Synonyms: give orders to, order about, order around. Differentiate. Differentiate. Differentiate means recognize as different. For example, children can differentiate the past from the present. Children can differentiate the past from the present. Diminish. Diminish. Diminish means make or become less. For example, a tax whose purpose is to diminish spending. A tax whose purpose is to diminish spending. Synonyms: decrease, decline, reduce. Discard. Discard. Discard means get rid of. For example, Hillary bundled up the clothes she had discarded. Hillary bundled up the clothes she had discarded. Synonyms: dispose of, throw away, throw out. Disclose. Disclose. Disclose means make secret or new information known. For example, they disclosed her name to the press. They disclosed her name to the press. Synonyms: reveal, make known, divulge. Displace. Displace. Displace means take over place or role of. For example, in the northern states of India, Hindi has largely displaced English. In the northern states of India, Hindi has largely displaced English. Synonyms: replace, take the place of, take over from. Dispose. Dispose. Dispose means get rid of. For example, People now have substantial assets to dispose of after their death. People now have substantial assets to dispose of after their death. Synonyms: throw away, throw out, cast out. Disrupt. Disrupt. Disrupt means interrupt event, activity, or process by causing disturbance or problem. For example, a rail strike that could disrupt both passenger and freight service. A rail strike that could disrupt both passenger and freight service. Synonyms: throw into confusion, throw into disorder, throw into disarray. Dissolve. Dissolve. Dissolve means become or cause to become incorporated into liquid so as to form solution. For example, glucose dissolves easily in water. Glucose dissolves easily in water. Synonyms: go into solution, become a solution, break down. Distort. Distort. Distort means pull or twist out of shape. For example, a grimace distorted her mouth. A grimace distorted her mouth. Synonyms: twisted, warped, contorted. Distress. Distress. Distress means cause distress to. For example, I didn't mean to distress you. I didn't mean to distress you. Synonyms: cause anguish to, cause suffering to, pain. Divert. Divert. Divert means cause to change course. For example, a scheme to divert water from the river to irrigate agricultural land. A scheme to divert water from the river to irrigate agricultural land. Synonyms: reroute, redirect, change the course of. Drain. Drain. Drain means empty something of water. For example, we drained the swimming pool. We drained the swimming pool. Synonyms: empty, empty out, remove the contents of. Drift. Drift. Drift means be carried by air or water. For example, the cabin cruiser started to drift downstream. The cabin cruiser started to drift downstream. Synonyms: be carried, be carried, be carried along. Drown. Drown. Drown means die through submersion in water. For example, 2 fishermen were drowned when their motorboat capsized. 2 fishermen were drowned when their motorboat capsized. Synonyms: suffocate in water, inhale water. Dub. Dub. Dub means give name to. For example, the media dubbed anorexia the slimming disease. The media dubbed anorexia the slimming disease. Synonyms: nickname, call, name.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.